I got a message recently asking, why is the moon upside down in the Southern Hemisphere? I thought it might be easiest to just make a quick video to explain it. So this is the moon, right? Obviously. But if you live in South Africa, it looks like this. It's a little hard to unwrap why this happens without seeing it. So here we go. It always surprises me how far away the moon is. In fact, when the moon is furthest away from us, we can just fit all the other planets of the solar system in between us both. I'm in the Northern Hemisphere here, and I'm going to walk all the way round to Australia. And the other camera here is going to rotate with me to show you the view from my perspective. So that's it really. It's actually quite simple. It's upside down because we're all looking at the same thing. But Australians themselves are upside down. Of course, to them, we're the ones upside down. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Please feel free to like, subscribe, or even join my little Patreon crew here. And do please let me know if you'd like me to make more short videos like this. The next video is going to be about, well, the clue is behind me. I've been really looking forward to making a video about black holes.